Navy, this week we are still working with nonfiction and the text features. We're also going to be putting events in order. So we have some great articles this week. And we're going to make sure that we put their lives, the events in their lives, in order. So, meet Christian Robinson. He is an illustrator. He made the pictures for this book. How does he do it? So Christian Robinson is not just an illustrator. He's also an author. That means he writes the words in the book. Christian tells stories. He tells stories with pictures. The stories get printed in books. Think of 4 things Christian does when he is making a story, and we're going to put these things in order. First, he gets an idea. Christian sits and thinks. He drinks tea. He pets his dog. This makes him feel calm. Christian thinks about the story he wants to tell. He uses his imagination. Next, he goes to his studio. That is where he works. He doesn't have to go far. It is in the garage behind his house. Christian makes pictures in his studio. He uses many kinds of art supplies. Can you name some of them? Let's see, he has paper, brushes, tape, paint, water, and roller. Then he draws his ideas. He draws tiny sketches, little pieces of paper. He uses a pen. If he doesn't like the sketch, he crumples the paper up. He throws it out, and he starts again. It's okay to make mistakes, says Christian. He is a good artist. He reminds me of you, Navy. Last, he adds color. He makes bigger pictures. He adds color to them. He uses paint and shapes he cuts from paper. This is his final draft. That's what the pictures will look like in the book. Christian as a kid. Christian loved stories when he was a kid. He drew stories. He liked to draw dinosaurs. He read stories. This was his favorite book to read, Are You My Mother? He made up stories. He rode the bus with his Nana. He made up stories about what he saw on the bus. Look, there's Christian and Nana. All right, so this next one, I want you to find the items that are up at the top in Christian's studio. So you'll just move a circle and put it on top of where you think it belongs. And then for this one, what is this issue mostly about? What did we learn about? We learned about how Christian made his art for his books. So it's mostly about how Christian makes his art for his books. I'm not going to type that in because I want you to do it. What does Christian do in his studio? Does he walk his dog, eat dinner, or make pictures? Yes. And what's something that Christian did as a kid? Oh, I skipped one. Which one does Christian make first, sketches or final draft? If you're not sure, go back and look. What's something Christian did as a kid? Well, we can look that up by looking at the bottom, down here. All right, now what I want you to do is I want you to put these events in order from first, second, third, and fourth. The first one, what did Christian do first? This is what he did first, and I know because it says first. So let's go back here. Christian sketches his ideas on small pieces of paper. Christian adds color to the pictures he likes by adding paint and shapes cut from paper. Christian goes to his studio to make his pictures. Christian imagines his story by being calm. Yes, Christian imagines his story by being calm. So we'll take that box and move it over. What was the next thing Christian did? Next, he goes to his studio. Okay. Which one says he goes to his studio? All right, I think you got the idea, right? Then what does he do third? And what does he do at the end, finally? Last. All right, that's how we're going to work this week, putting events in order. Hope you're having fun, Navy.